These are almost ready, husband.
Yes, my wife, you are so helpful.
Teamwork makes it easy.
There you go, nice and wet. Now for these over here.
Now let's add the sauce. Spread it evenly.
Fresh juice today. Yes, the best. One more orange. Perfect. Ready to sell. Thank you, Bhaiya. You're welcome. Enjoy. Fresh juice here. Will do. See you. Here is your change, sir. Thank you very much. Fresh juice, very good. Yes, it looks delicious.
The spices are blending so well. This stew will be perfect. A little more spice for the perfect flavor. Ah, it's ready. Smells wonderful. Perfect.
ठंडा शरबत है.
धन्यवाद. बहुत अच्छा है.
हाँ, तुम्हारे लिए.
This is so refreshing.
Just like you.
You always know what to say.
Only for you.
The spices are blending well now. It smells wonderful. I have prepared a feast. Please come and enjoy.
Ah, this tea is wonderful. The best in the village.
We should do this more often.
The tea is ready. It smells wonderful.
Thank you.
To a good harvest.
The food smells wonderful today.
I can't wait to share it.
A perfect journey.
We're here. The children will be so happy.
Yes, let's go inside. Here you go. Enjoy.
Some chicken for you. Thank you.
You're all welcome.
Here is your food, children. Thank you. And some chicken. This is so yummy. Yeah, the best ever.
I'm glad you like it.
This is so yummy. Yeah, I love it. More chicken, please.
Hello, children.
Hello. Bye.
Have a good day.
See you soon.
You look so handsome today.
And you are radiant, my love.
I love you.